Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Norwegian speaking with HelloTalk step. Download the HelloTalk app from your device's app store. Open the app and create a new account using your email or social media. Choose Norwegian as your target language and select your native language. Complete your profile with a clear photo and a brief introduction. Navigate to the Discover tab to find language partners. Use the search filters to find native Norwegian speakers interested in learning your language. Send a friendly message introducing yourself to potential partners. Engage in text chats to practice your writing skills. Use voice messages to improve your pronunciation and listening abilities. Participate in audio or video calls for real-time conversation practice. Take advantage of the app's translation feature to help understand new vocabulary. Practice regularly by setting reminders for daily conversations. Join group chats for additional practice and to connect with multiple learners. Explore HelloTalk's language exchange events or forums for community learning. Make notes of new words and phrases during your conversations. Review your notes regularly to reinforce your learning. Stay patient and persistent as you improve your Norwegian skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.